How to fix text message notifications not showing on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it if your iPhone isn't giving you notifications for text messages. Stick around till the end and I'll walk you through a few easy fixes. Alright, first go ahead and open up your settings. Scroll down a bit and tap on notifications. Here, scroll again until you find messages and tap it. In here, make sure allow notifications is turned on. Also make sure all the alert types are turned on lock screen, notification center, and banners. Now tap on customize notifications. Check that everything's enabled here too. If you want messages to show up on the lock screen, go back and tap show previews. Set it to always or when unlocked. Still not getting notifications? Swipe down from the top right to bring up control center and check for any focus modes like do not disturb. If one's on, tap it and turn it off, because focus modes silence all kinds of notifications including text. If nothing's working yet, go ahead and restart your iPhone. And that's it. Hopefully one of those fixes did the trick. If it helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips.